Welcome to CHI 2026. We're here to present our paper in the extended abstract, Cognitive Prosthetic and AI-enabled multimodal system for episodic recurring knowledge work. We are researcher from Old Dominion University in Virginia. The gaps we are looking to solve is more like meeting recalls, attention gap, and cognitive state. Modern work generates fragmented experiences across conversation, digital tools, and multitasking. Existing system only take care of notes, transcription, and capture more or less partial informations and fail to integrate multimodal system in the context. What we're presenting is a cognitive prosthetic multimodal system that make uses of different sensors and different system transcription, physiological signal, gaze, and attention. So the system is more or less somebody in the office wearing an multibead to capture the heart rate, emotional state, and then species for transcription, eye tracking to focus on what the person is looking at, and then we're having a retriever system that are more or less trying to recall, help the user to augment the memory. So our system architecture, we have the workspace, then we have the three sensors, more or less the recording of speech, the eye tracking, and then the multi-bit. We have all of that fused into Jetson Nano storage for to have the system local, and then we have the retriever system. So we build a web app for it. So we have its natural language, so we input all of those data, and then the user is able to question and maybe later archive it and maybe go back to it later, so that they can more or less be able to ask it questions again and then be able to recall what transpires in those meetings. And then yeah, we have the heart rate, so the user at each time know what it is, the emotion state where all the physiological signals were, and that can be interpreted in a lot of other way. And then we have the timeline, so it's synced, so from speech to gaze to physiological signals, so that we're able to cross-check and compare later on. And then our key contribution is an AI-enabled multimodal system, the multimodal integration, privacy aware, because we don't want it, we kind of more or less trying to remove third party, and so that it's for the user. And then we're having natural language interface. Future of work, we're looking at the user studies, longitudinal deployment. We're looking at accessibility, visually impaired people, autistic people. Those will be our different categories of where we get to use these devices. We're also looking at sensor expansions. Thank you very much. Have a great conference, and email your questions to us, and we can. I will also look forward to collaborations. Thank you so much.